Starting with numerical number 10.7, a coaxial cable consists of a central conducting core wire. Core means the inner central one. Core wire of that is the core, that is the center. So this black one is the core. It is the central circle. Okay, and coaxial cables means the axis for all the cables will be same. Okay, where I was, okay, and conducting core wire. So this black one is the core. It is the central wire or central conductor of radius a. Okay, from the center it is of radius a, and a coaxial cylindrical outer conductor of radius b. Now the outer conductor is drawn with the pink sketch pen and it has radius b. The two conductors carry an equal current I. Both of them carry equal current I, okay, and in opposite directions, that is in and out of the plane of the paper. Both of them have the same current I and the directions are opposite. One is coming out of the plane of the paper and one is means the current for one conductor is coming out of the plane of the paper, and for another conductor the current is going inside the plane of the paper. What will be the magnitude of the magnetic field B for the first case and for the second case, and what will be its direction? If you talk about the direction of the magnetic field, so by symmetry, all the conducting wires are coaxial, all the conducting cables are coaxial, means they have the same central point, they have the same axis. So by symmetry, B will be tangential to any circle centered to the central conductor. We have this central conductor. So considering this as the central conductor, any circle drawn considering this black circle as the central conductor, to all those circles B will be टेंजेंशियल. अगर B को देखना है तो B टेंजेंशियल होगा किस कंडीशन पे कि जितने भी सर्कल बना लो वो सारे सर्कल्स के लिए B वाला सेंट्रल सर्कल होना चाहिए. ठीक है, ये सेंट्रल कंडक्टर होना चाहिए जितने भी सर्कल्स बना लो उनके लिए. तो अगर वो कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई है तो सारे जितने भी सर्कल्स बनाओगे सबके लिए B क्या होगा, टेंजेंशियल होगा. ओके ना. फर्स्ट केस में मैग्नेटिक फील्ड क्या होगा? फर्स्ट केस A conducting wire A having means conducting wire having radius A, conducting wire having radius B. उसके बीच में एक और एम्पीरियन लूप बनाएंगे हम लोग जिसका रेडियस R होगा. सो वी विल इमेजिन एम्पीरियन लूप. ओके, of radius R, and that will be in between A and B. So this pink one is my B and black one is my A, and this drawn with the small dots, that is my Amperian loop having radius R. Okay, Amperian loop has radius R. Now magnetic field is effective outside the conductor. Okay, if we talk about black conducting wire having radius A, so my Amperian loop having radius R is outside my conducting wire having radius A. ये black वाले के बाहर है. Magnetic field is effective only outside the conductor. So here magnetic field will be, that is if we have Amperian loop, so Ampere's law, B dl, that is mu naught I. Okay, so here B magnetic field outside, closed circle, mu naught I. Now B. So if you see close integral over your small element, or your integral, close integral over your element. So this element is a circle, so there the integration will be 2 pi and R, because we are looking for magnetic field on this Amperian loop which is outside black conducting wire and inside this pink conducting wire having radius B. A और B के बीच में है R. ठीक है, R क्या है? सर्कल है. अगर ये सर्कल के ऊपर मैं स्मॉल स्मॉल एलिमेंट्स कंसीडर कर लूँ तो सारे कंप्लीट करने पर मुझे क्या मिलेगा, सर्कमफ्रेंस. सो दैट इज 2 pi r and r is the radius of this Ampérian loop. Hope you understood how we have come from this step to this step. Now mu naught I, let's talk about this. Mu naught as it is I. Now magnetic field is effective only outside the conductor. So here our Ampérian loop is outside my small conductor. Small conductor carries current I. Okay, so we have the current here as I. So this is the magnetic field, mu naught I upon 2 pi r on the Ampérian loop, which is inside B and outside A, or inside pink conducting wire and outside black conducting wire. ठीक है, दिस इज द कंडीशन. ए और बी के बीच में जो कंडक्टिंग वायर बनाया है या एम्पीरियन लूप बनाया है ऑफ रेडियस आर, एट दैट पॉइंट द मैग्नेटिक फील्ड इज दिस. होप यू अंडरस्टूड. नाउ सेकेंड केस, this is the second case. Ampérian loop should be, this is the second condition, right? Ampérian loop should be outside B. Ampérian loop should be outside B. See, Ampérian loop has greater radius or the bigger radius than B. मतलब ये रहा हमारा A radius, ये रहा हमारा B रेडियस और ये रहा हमारा एम्पीरियन लूप विथ रेडियस R. सेकेंड कंडीशन में एम्पीरियन लूप बाहर चला गया, A और B दोनों के बाहर है. इन दिस केस अगेन B, D, L, mu naught I. So here it will be B integral of TL mu naught. Now what will happen to current? Magnetic field is effective outside the conductors. Now here outside the conductor, suppose at this point or at any point on this Ampérian loop, it is outside the two conductors, A black वाला and pink वाला. सो दोनों का करंट कंसिडर करेंगे. चलो दोनों का करंट कंसिडर कर देते हैं. बोथ ऑफ देम हैव सेम करंट. ठीक है, दोनों का करंट हम लोग ने कंसिडर कर लिया भाई प्लस. बट दोनों के डायरेक्शंस अलग अलग हैं. डायरेक्शंस अलग है मीन्स इफ वन इज पॉजिटिव, सपोज, हाँ ओके, इफ वन इज पॉजिटिव अनदर वन विल बी नेगेटिव. सो आई माइनस आई is 0. So this right hand side becomes 0. I minus I 0. What about this part B? Now ये close integral, अगर ये वाला Ampérian loop देखें तो again circumference, so that is 2 pi r is equal to 0. So B is equal to 0 upon 2 pi r, which is B is equal to 0. If you see magnetic field in this case where the Ampérian loop is outside the two conductors, then it is 0. Okay, because both the conductors carry opposite current. The directions of the current is opposite in this case. And when we were between the two conductors, means between the two conductors A और B के बीच में थे हम, तब effective current was because of this one. सिर्फ ये कंडक्टर की वजह से था, विच इज़ ब्लैक वन कैरिड करंट आई. डायरेक्शन कंसिडर करना ही नहीं था, यहाँ पर एक ही कंडक्टर था, आई करंट. तो आई करंट कंसिडर किया और हो गया. बट यहाँ पर ये दोनों के आई कंसिडर करने पड़े, तो आई प्लस आई, बट एक का डायरेक्शन उल्टा है तो वो लिखना पड़ा हमको. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट वी ऑब्टेन्ड इट राइट हैंड साइड एज 0. That gave me magnetic field outside the two conductors carrying current equal and opposite in direction is 0. Magnetic field outside the two conductors carrying equal and opposite current is 0. Hope you understood this.